Hi, today I'm going to quickly teach you how to clean aquariums. So first of all, if you have any algae built up on the glass, what you're going to need is you're going to need a sponge or some sort of scrubber, and you're going to scrub all the sides of the aquarium. Right here you can see that I have quite a bit of algae built up here. I've neglected my aquarium for a while, so that's what you're going to be scrubbing off of your glass. Make sure that you get all the algae and anything else growing on the sides of the aquarium off. To make it easier, often I take all the ornaments and I just kind of put it to one side of the aquarium, and that way I am able to clean out the gravel even better. Okay, now as you can see, I have removed about a third of the water. So now all that you have to do is pour in the new water. I will make a new video on how to teach you how to prepare water for a freshwater aquarium use. As can be seen, I've changed the decorations in the aquarium right now, and I still have one more bucket of water to put in here. There, and as part of the water change, you also need to do a filter change. But first I'm going to let the filter suck in a bunch of this stuff before I change the filter. Because then it would just be a waste to put a brand new filter in there right now and have all this stuff get sucked up onto that right away. Okay, now I've got it fully topped up, and you can see that the water is a little murky, but it's a lot cleaner than it was before, so I've changed out the filter cartridge out of the filter. Make sure you do that because the filter cartridges have active carbon in them, and that takes out a lot of the stuff that's bad for your fish. So ensure that you do that. And as you can see, I have quite a variety of fish in this aquarium, and now it looks completely different than when I started. Hope that you found this video useful, and remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and hope you have a good day.